Hello, this is a quick recap of the features and benefits available to the users of the AI Code Monitor tool as of July 2024. You can go to the sign up page, enter the details, hit on sign up. Once you do that, you have the options to connect to Azure DevOps or GitHub. Once you are successfully connected, you are brought to the dashboard where, based on the repositories that you have connected, you see three big percentages. One is overall percentage, pure GenAI percentage, and blended GenAI percentage. And you see the chart just below that. When you go to the repositories, you will see the repository groups that you have created. At the initial level, you won't have any. You will have to create first the repository groups, and then you will see these stats. Once you have created a repository groups, you will see the repository group name and the associated repositories attached with that. You will be able to see the traffic lights based on the rules and the guidelines that you have set for each repository group. It will tell you whether it is within the guidelines. Red, amber, green capsules are shown over here. Below here, you will see all the repository names, and individually and at the group level, you will see the percentage of GenAI and not GenAI. And for GenAI, you will see pure and blended percentage. That's the split. There is a blue ribbon over here that tells you the percentage of code attested, which is the number of lines of code that you have attested divided by all the lines that can be attested. That gives you a quick recap of the attestation percentage. Once you click on any of the repository names, you're brought to the repository detail page where you can see the code level information. On the left hand side, you have the ability to filter the files, and on the right, you can filter it by the labels over here. And you can see the name of the author next to each of these chunks. You see the labels. You have the option to attest by agreeing, and you can override by declining it and giving it your own label. This is what you can do over here. Similarly, if you are on the pull request page, you see the SEMA GenAI detector check, and this analysis is done and the percentage shown to you for that specific PR. When you click on more details, you will see the pull request page with the percentages of overall pure and blended for that specific PR only, and the code level information is shown below over here. You can very quickly and easily go to exactly the label that you want to have a look at. If you select, say, example, Pure AI, you see only one chunk over here is file over here has got a chunk which is Pure AI labeled. You can further go attest or over attest by agreeing or overriding it. This is what you see. And last but not the least, in order to manage your organization settings, you can go and create the repository groups like this. You can give the name, category, and associate the rules you want, basis which on the dashboard page and on the repository page, these capsules are shown to you. You can also go to the rules section under settings and create the rules. By default, we give you 7 rules, which you can go ahead and edit, and you can create the rules and make those rules available only for the repository groups, or you can apply it at the organization level that is being displayed right at the top over here on the dashboard. Thank you.